起飞。
On the basis of digital transformation and large-scale test applications, the Hubei Electric Power Company in central China's Hubei province has succeeded in developing a prototype of drones for fulfilling autonomous inspection of power transmission towers, with the quality and efficiency of inspection going up by a whopping 70%. The state grid Hubei Electric Power has made great efforts to develop inspection drones featuring automatic flights on planned routes, independent flight, flight monitoring and data processing.
我们在巡检前已经把编制好的精准航线通过4G 网络传送给无人机，在现场，巡检人员只需轻点屏幕，无人机即可自动完成巡检任务。
Through the high-definition camera installed on the drone, the transmission line corridor and tower can be inspected from multiple angles and close in distances. Any slight change cannot escape the inspection of the drone. It only takes 2 minutes to complete the inspection of an entire transmission tower, and then the photos are sent back to the smart monitoring platform more than 100 kilometers away in real time via the 4G network.
照片回传是实时的，也是清晰有效的。现在，图像智能识别算法已经找出了缺陷，像这样的危急缺陷，我们直接通过线上派单，线下就有人及时去消除。
So far, autonomous drone inspections have been conducted on the 4,850 kilometer transmission lines in Jingzhou city of the province. Compared with manual operation, autonomous drone inspections would incur no risk of climbing up the transmission tower by human workers, which provides a solid guarantee for inspection over power transmission operation and maintenance.